The S-Wall House by COLLAGE Design Studio in KHET CHATUCHAK, Thailand. An aging structure, part reinforced concrete and part timber, over 50 years old, stands on a modest plot of land, spanning approximately 200 square meters, nestled within Bangkok's Phrao 1 alley. Long neglected, this house bore witness to a tragic event, the untimely demise of the owner's father, which prompted the family to vacate. Filled with remorse at the sight of the abandoned dwelling, the owner embarked on a mission to revive its spirit and breathe new life into its weathered frame. Tasked with the challenge of transforming the house within budgetary constraints, the architect was urged to renovate rather than rebuild. The vision was to infuse contemporary flair into the structure, creating a modern abode for the owner and his spouse, complete with a swimming pool and outdoor bar for hosting gatherings. Upon inspection, it was discovered that much of the original wooden framework remained remarkably intact, boasting wide, durable floor planks seldom found today. Seizing the opportunity to preserve these cherished elements, the decision was made to relocate the staircase outdoors and repurpose the father's dilapidated office into a pool area. As demolition commenced, a revelation emerged: the sturdy reinforced concrete columns and beams, engineered by the father himself, stood resilient and adorned with traces of history. Inspired by this unexpected find, the design evolved to incorporate elements of the original structure, with the swimming pool nestled beneath its graceful arches. Privacy concerns prompted the erection of a protective barrier, a set of walls rising from the remnants of the former office. Folding gracefully in an S shape, the fiber cement panels wall simultaneously concealed and revealed, serving as a symbolic facade for the rejuvenated home. This sinuous partition delineated space while fostering connectivity, embodying the fusion of old and new. Downstairs, the solid brick and plaster walls of your gave way to an open, light-filled living area reminiscent of Thailand, an open space beneath a Thai house, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor realms. Upstairs, the master bedroom reflects the juxtaposition of new wall materials on the old structure, marrying tradition with modern design concepts. The once dim and cramped staircase underwent a remarkable transformation, evolving into a luminous nexus linking floors and bridging the gap between interior and exterior. Nowadays, the owner's mother watches as this house is being built and brought back to life from the ground up. She can come into the house, sit in the swimming pool area, which used to be the father's office, and watch the grandchildren swim. She smiles and easily tells stories of the past as memories of bygone days mingle with the joy of new beginnings, bridging generations and transcending grief. In this house, memories converge with aspirations, crafting a narrative that honors the past while embracing the future, an embodiment of resilience, reconciliation, and the enduring feeling of home.